In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bar replay in GoCharting. If you've ever wanted to practice your analysis without peeking at what happens next, bar replay is your best friend. It lets you roll the chart back to a specific point in time and watch the market unfold bar by bar, just like it would have in real time, so you can test ideas and build confidence without hindsight bias. Start by opening your browser and heading to the GoCharting website. From the homepage, look along the top menu and click Products. In the drop-down, select Charts. This takes you into the main charting terminal where you'll do all of your work. Once the chart loads, look for the replay control and click it. As soon as you do, a replay toolbar will appear at the top of the chart. Think of this toolbar as your control center. It's where you'll set the playback behavior and manage how the chart progresses during the replay. Now, choose exactly where you want your session to begin. Move your cursor to the candle that marks your desired starting point and double-click it. This anchors the replay from that bar forward and hides what comes after, so you can follow price action as if you're seeing it for the first time. Next, set your playback speed. On the replay toolbar, open the seconds per bar setting and pick the timing that suits your analysis. For a clear, steady pace, choose 1 second per bar. That setting advances one candle every second, which is fast enough to maintain momentum while still letting you observe structure, momentum shifts, and reactions at key levels. With your start candle selected and your speed chosen, click the replay button to begin. The chart will now progress one bar at a time from the point you selected, giving you a clean, unbiased view of how price develops. This is especially helpful for reviewing setups, validating rules, or simply sharpening your chart reading skills. If you want a slower or faster experience, remember that the seconds per bar control is there to match your style, whether you're scanning quickly for context or slowing down to study each bar's detail. And anytime you want to analyze a different scenario, just repeat the process from another candle to replay a new segment of the chart. That's all there is to it. Open charts from the products menu, click replay, double-click the candle where you want to start, choose 1 second per bar, and press replay to watch the market unfold. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using bar replay to practice with purpose and improve your decision making.